Why choose Hendrickson Genuine Parts? For greater component life, system performance, and uptime. At Hendrickson, we design, model, test, validate, and support our parts as an integrated system. Design starts with understanding true system and vehicle integration. Wheel-end transducers are used to capture all road inputs to the chassis, suspension, and wheel ends. The real-world transducer data is loaded into proprietary software to model suspension and chassis behaviors. Finite element analysis, or FEA, is conducted to illustrate where part features can be modified to deliver the desired durability and performance characteristics. Parts are then manufactured and lab tested to exceed truck or trailer OEM specifications. This lab analysis phase is critical to the development of high-quality components. To validate our parts, we employ OEM-validated test tracks and field evaluation units. The equipment is run in various real-world applications, segments, and climates. When you choose Hendrickson Genuine Parts, you also choose industry-leading product support, tools, education, technical and sales collaboration, and customer service. Why choose Hendrickson Genuine Parts? They're designed, tested, and validated to deliver unprecedented uptime. Original part, original fit, original performance.